Hi, this is John Braconnier with Royal LePage Noralta. I'm here at my new listing at 8524 187th Street in the community of Aldergrove. This bungalow is a 1976 bungalow. It's around 1280 square feet and it features in the last 10 years new roof, new siding, new windows, and a new furnace this year, 2023, so it has some upgrades. It's a beautiful first-time home for a young family coming into this wonderful neighborhood. So why don't we go and have inside and have a look around. So this three-bedroom home features not only a large-sized living room and a dining area, but also just off the kitchen, the large kitchen, there is a family room with a fireplace. We have 3 bedrooms. We have a master bedroom that walks through into the main bathroom. Downstairs, we have a large family room where you can have the family down there, lots of activities. The new furnace, obviously, and the air conditioner outside keep the house nice and cool during the summer. So it is a great family home and it's looking for you to come in and make your own. So Toby just came to say hello. He wanted to be a part of the video, and he just wanted to show you that we have a great big backyard here, right, Toby? There you go. And a big double detached garage, 24 by 22. Lots of space here for the kids to play. So make this home your own. Come and give me a call or shout. I'd be happy to show you. So that's John Braconnier at 780-966-2360. Thank you so much.